So you want to get your money right? Introducing Sofi. Ever feel like your finances are scattered across a million different places? Bank account here, investment app there, credit card bills hiding in the junk mail. If you're nodding your head, you're not alone. But what if there was a way to manage all your financial stuff, banking, investing, even getting loans, from a single, secure app? That's the promise of Sofi, and in this video, we're diving deep to see if it lives up to the hype. We'll crack open the Sofi app, explore its features, and see if it can truly be your one-stop shop for getting your money right. So, buckle up and ditch the financial chaos. It's time to take control. From student loans to investing, a financial chameleon. Now, Sofi started by offering something most students know all too well, student loan refinancing. They saw a generation drowning in debt and offered a lifeline, a chance to lower interest rates and potentially save thousands on those loans. That was a smart move, but Sofi didn't stop there. They realized people needed more than just a student loan solution. They needed a way to manage their entire financial picture. So, Sofi branched out, adding features like banking, check your balances, make deposits, and even pay bills, all from the Sofi app. They offer competitive interest rates on checking and savings accounts, especially if you set up direct deposit. Investing, want to grow your wealth? Sofi Invest lets you buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and even fractional shares. They also offer automated investing tools to help you build your portfolio over time. Credit card, the Sofi credit card boasts rewards points you can redeem for cash back or travel. Plus, it comes with some built-in financial wellness features to help you stay on track. Loans, need a personal loan for that dream vacation or a home improvement project? Sofi offers competitive rates and a streamlined application process. Basically, Sofi is like a financial Swiss Army knife. It's got a tool for almost every financial need. But is it easy to use? Let's face it, some finance apps can be clunky and confusing. But Sofi boasts a user-friendly interface that's easy to navigate, even for beginners. The app is well organized, with clear menus and helpful tutorials to guide you through each feature. Plus, Sofi prioritizes transparency. You'll see clear breakdowns of your fees, interest rates, and account balances, no hidden surprises here. The social side of Sofi. Here's something unique about Sofi, the social aspect. You can connect with friends and follow their investment strategies, although it's important to remember everyone's financial goals are different. This can be a great way to learn and pick up some investing tips, but don't blindly follow anyone, do your own research. Is Sofi right for you? So, with all these features, is Sofi the perfect financial app for everyone? Well, it depends. Here's a quick breakdown. Sofi might be a good fit for you if you're tired of juggling multiple financial apps. You're looking for competitive interest rates on savings accounts. You want to explore investing but feel overwhelmed by traditional brokerages. You're interested in a rewards credit card with financial wellness features. Sofi might not be the best choice if you're a super advanced investor looking for complex trading tools. You have a poor credit score and wouldn't qualify for their loan or credit card products. You're wary of any app managing all your financial data in one place. The final verdict, getting your money right, one app at a time. Sofi isn't magic, but it comes pretty darn close. It streamlines your finances, offers competitive rates, and provides educational tools to help you make informed decisions. Whether you're a college grad drowning in student loans or a seasoned investor looking for a new platform, Sofi is worth considering. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.